National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Randolph County in northeastern West Virginia, northeastern Pocahontas County in northeastern West Virginia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southeast of Daly, or 16 miles north of Greenbank, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bartow, Durbin, and Cheat Bridge.